Hi, hello and namaskaram. Welcome to another video of Fine Dining Indian, and hi from Bobby again. So in this video you will learn how to make chicken keema. Chicken keema, or keema, the word is, it's just minced chicken. So you mince it finely, or you can leave it a bit, bit bite-sized pieces. So I like to have a bit of crunch in it, so I don't do it very fine. You can follow one of our videos in the link. Check out how we do the keema ourselves by hand. If you have a mincer, you can use a mincer, or you can buy the chicken mince from outside. So this is a unique street style recipe, simple one. You can try it, and then keep some boiled egg and you can grate it on the top. That gives an amazing addition. Most of the street style food, when I tried it, it's the same in Nizamuddin in Delhi. I enjoyed this same thing, and in Mumbai street style they put the boiled egg on top. It's amazing. Try it with a chapati or any bread. This goes well with the bread, especially Rumali rotis. So try it and then let me know your feedback. So for making chicken keema, heat the pan with oil. Throw in some Gingergarlic paste. I'm adding the chicken also together. Mix and cook. So once the mixture start leaving the water, you can add turmeric powder, slit green chilli, coriander powder, chili powder, then seasoning powder. Mix it. I'm adding Garam Masala. You can add a touch of chaat masala too. Now we add salt, a bit more water, allow it to cook. So once the water is reduced, we can add onion tomato masala. Mix it. And to finish off, you can add chopped coriander leaf. If you want it a bit saucy, you can add a bit more water. And for the glaze, I'm adding a touch more chili oil. So once the keema is ready, finish with a bit of butter. Mix it. Switch it off. It's ready. Like I said, you can finish off with chopped coriander leaf as well. So plate the keema, chicken keema in a bowl. Very hot. Grate the egg. Garnish with some pickled onions, pickled shallots. So it's ready to eat. Nice keema with the toasted pav or the brioche bun, you can call. So thank you for cooking along the chicken keema recipe with us. Believe you enjoyed. It's a simple recipe and easy to make at home. You can cook and keep the batch in fridge and then finish it off or reheat it when you want it. So you believe we can make simple, amazing dish in a high-end restaurant style at home. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and then do watch our other videos. Thank you.